Are you hot? You want to take off the jacket?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Bobby's going to Japan today. First time going to Japan. This will be a long 4-hour flight. We need a lot of these. We need a lot of these
To make me feel what?
to make him feel better later.
Better?
Yeah. And don't open it.
Better,
Say hi to
better.
little people.
Better.
Hi guys. You say,
Hi guys.
we're going to Japan.
Going to Japan.
We'll see you there later.
See you there later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're arriving at Osaka na ano ulit yung airport? Kansai Airport. Tulog si Mami all throughout the flight. Nagigising na lang. We're going to Osaka Aquarium on Saturday and... it goes pala on Saturday. Nintendo World. Basta, bahala na. We'll film and malamang ako mag-edit ng video na to. Malamang sa akin pa edit yung video na to. So, yes. Thank you, Miss Cameraman. Bye ka na, Mami. See you later on land.